Hi friends, today we are going to be practicing using our sounds and knowledge of words again. And you guys are going to think about what word would make sense and go here that is hidden by the post-it note. So I'm going to read all the way to the post-it note and then stop, and you guys are going to pick below which word do you think is under the post-it note based on the first sound and what we know and thinking about what makes sense. 6 little ducks the I once knew, fat ducks, skinny ducks, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with his quack, quack, quack. Down to the meadow they would go, wiggle wag, to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his, we don't know this word, but it starts with a b, b. So I want you guys below to pick which word would make sense that starts with a b, b. Down to the meadow they would go, wiggle wag, to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his b, b. What word would make sense under the post-it note in that space?